Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome to my channel, and if you're a return subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I prepare this hair to be locked. In terms of, some people call it to rasta looking hair or lock your hair, whichever one you may term it to be. But here is what I will be showing you in this video. So my client that I'm doing today, it's a family that I have been working with for the last 6 years. I also lock his mom here and his sister here, and now he decided to get his hair locked. So take a look at what it is and how I start the process. And I also add a video of the mom for you to see how long her hair have been after 6 years. Take a look, keep watching this video to the end, and if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and like this video and share with someone. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a